Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noradila Binti Roslan with student ID 2022622598 from class 7A1. Today I will be presenting chapter 8 entitled The Ethical Role of Civil Engineers in Enhancing School Traffic Safety. This presentation covers 5 sections, which is first is identification of problems, second is ethical principles and professional practice, potential issues and professional misconduct, fourth is proposed solution based on ethics and diversity, and lastly reflection and impact. The first section focuses on the road safety issues identified within the community. Many secondary school students commute daily using motorcycle or as passenger and are exposed to busy urban traffic. So as a result, they face various road safety risks. And some common unsafe behaviors include improper helmet use, dangerous riding practices, and poor awareness of vehicle blind spots, especially around the heavy vehicle. So these behaviors increase the risk of the road accidents. And from a civil engineering perspective, road safety is not only achieved through well-designed infrastructure, but also through responsible road user behavior. Even the best road systems cannot effectively protect users if they do not understand safe road practices. So to address this issue, our Sulam project introduced the One Choice, One Outcome home or hospital program. So through these interactive learning activities, the program aims to improve students' road safety knowledge, to encourage safer behavior, and contribute to a safer community. This project was carried out in accordance with the Board of Engineers Malaysia or BEM Code of Professional Conduct, which states that engineers must always prioritize public safety, health and welfare. As engineering students, we have the responsibility to ensure that any information shared with the public is accurate, reliable and beneficial. So to achieve this, all educational materials were developed based on recognized Malaysian standards, including the MIRAS guideline, the CIDB Act 520, the JKR standard specification for roadworks. And following these standards ensure that the program was technically accurate, ethically responsible, and legally compliant. This reflects the important roles of engineers in protecting society through both technical expertise and community engagement. The third section discusses potential ethical issues and professional misconduct. Professional misconduct may occur when engineers fail to identify hazard, provide inaccurate safety information, or implement public programs without proper technical assessment. So in this project, it will have been considered professional negligence if road safety education had been delivered without conducting preliminary assessment or if unverified information had been shared with participants. So to prevent these issues, the project follows several important Malaysian law and professional standards. First is the Registration of Engineers Act 1967, Amendment 2015, requires engineers to prioritize public safety and provides disciplinary action for negligence. So second is the BEM Code of Professional Conduct Regulation 27, which requires engineers to demonstrate integrity, competence, and accountability in their professional work. Next is JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan 18/97, which provide technical guidelines for road safety facilities and traffic management to ensure consistent and road safety practices. And finally is Street Drainage and Building Act 1974 Act 133 ensures that public infrastructure and safety measures comply with local authority regulations. And by complying with these laws and standards, the project maintains ethical conduct, technical accuracy, and legal compliance throughout its implementation. To minimize ethical issues and promote professional responsibilities, our project adopted an interactive learning approach. Two educational activities were developed, which is the freeze game and the road safety crossword puzzle. These activities encourage active participation while reinforcing students' understanding of road safety concept. The program was designed according to the EAC Standard 2024, which emphasized diversity, equity, inclusion, and ethical engineering practice. The activities were suitable for students aged 13 to 17 years old and were conducted in an accessible environment. Learning materials were available in both Bahasa Melayu and English, and all examples were designed using gender-neutral scenarios to ensure equal participation. So this approach helped create an inclusive learning environment while promoting ethical engineering practice. This project provided valuable experience in applying ethical principles to real community services. It showed us that civil engineers have responsibilities beyond designing infrastructure. Engineers must also educate the public and encourage safe behavior to reduce accident risk. By using interactive learning methods such as the freeze game and the road safety crossword puzzle, made road safety education more engaging and effective than traditional lectures. So the project successfully improved students' awareness of road safety and encouraged safer commuting behavior. In addition, the use of reusable learning materials and the promotion of orderly traffic practices contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing unnecessary traffic congestion and vehicle emissions. So overall, this project demonstrated how engineering knowledge, ethical responsibility, and community engagement can work together to improve public safety and create a more sustainable society. In conclusion, the Sulam project successfully applied engineering ethics to address road safety issues within the community. By following professional standards and Malaysian regulation, we ensured that the program was ethical, technically accurate, and legally compliant. More importantly, the project reminds us that engineers are responsible not only for designing infrastructure, but also for protecting lives through education, ethical decision making, and meaningful community engagement. So that's all from me. Thank you.